Before we dive into the best ways to make money online in 2026, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos about online income, investing, and building financial freedom. On this channel, we break down real strategies that anyone can use to start making money online, even if you're starting from zero. Now let's get into the opportunities that could change your financial future. Imagine waking up in the morning, opening your laptop, and seeing that you made money while you were sleeping. No boss, no office, no commuting for hours every day. Just you, the internet, and opportunities that didn't even exist a few years ago. This is not a fantasy anymore. In 2026, millions of people around the world are building real income online. Some are making a few $100s per month as a side hustle, while others are building businesses that generate 6 or even 7 figures every year. But here's the surprising truth. The internet has never had more opportunity than it does today. Yet most people still don't know where to start. So in this video, we're going to break down the most powerful ways to make money online in 2026, how beginners can start, and why the digital economy is growing faster than ever before. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how people are turning their skills, creativity, and even their smartphones into real income streams. The digital economy is exploding. Before we talk about the methods, it's important to understand something bigger. The world is changing. For the first time in history, you don't need a physical store, a huge investment, or a big company to make money. All you need is internet access and the right strategy. The digital economy is expected to grow into trillions of dollars in the next few years. Businesses are moving online, creators are building audiences, and individuals are turning their knowledge into profitable assets. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have created an entirely new career path called the creator economy. And the most interesting part? Many of the people making money online today started with zero experience. Method 1: Content creation. One of the biggest opportunities online today is content creation. Videos, podcasts, tutorials, storytelling, and educational content are dominating the internet. Every day, billions of people watch videos, scroll through social media, and search for information. If you can create content that entertains, educates, or inspires people, you can build an audience. And once you build an audience, there are multiple ways to make money. Ad revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling products, a membership communities. Many creators started by simply uploading videos regularly. At first, they had 0 views, but over time their content improved, their audience grew, and their income followed. The key is consistency. Method 2: Freelancing. Another powerful way to make money online is freelancing. Right now, thousands of companies are looking for people who can help them with digital work, graphic design, video editing, website development, content writing, social media management. And the best part? You can work with clients from anywhere in the world using platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Many freelancers start with small jobs for $5 or $10. But once they gain experience and positive reviews, they can charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways for beginners to start earning online because it focuses on skills instead of followers. Method 3: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful business models on the internet. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's simple, scalable, and doesn't require creating your own product. Major companies like Amazon have affiliate programs where you can recommend products and earn money from sales. Many YouTubers, bloggers, and social media creators earn passive income this way. For example, someone might create a video reviewing a camera, laptop, or phone. Then they include an affiliate link in the description. Every sale generates a commission. Method 4: Selling digital products. Digital products are becoming extremely popular because they can be sold unlimited times without extra cost. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, design assets, guides, and tutorials. Creators build these products once and then sell them repeatedly. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easier than ever to launch digital stores and reach customers worldwide. This is why many online entrepreneurs focus on digital products. They can generate passive income for years. Method 5: AI services. Artificial intelligence is transforming the internet economy. Businesses need people who understand how to use AI tools for tasks like writing marketing content, designing images, automating customer support, editing videos, managing social media. Instead of replacing jobs, AI is creating new opportunities for people who know how to use it effectively. In 2026, AI-powered freelancers are offering services that didn't even exist just a few years ago. Method 6: Online investing. Another major opportunity online is investing. Digital platforms have made investing easier and more accessible than ever before. People are investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, index funds, digital assets. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance allow beginners to start investing with relatively small amounts of money. However, investing requires patience, research, and long-term thinking. Successful investors focus on strategy, not speculation. The biggest mistake people make. Now here's the mistake that stops most people from succeeding online. They try too many things at once. One week they try freelancing. The next week they try crypto. Then they try dropshipping. And after a few weeks, they quit because they don't see instant results. But the truth is, online success works the same way as any other business. It requires focus and consistency. Choose one path, learn the skills, improve every day, and eventually the results begin to compound. The future of online income. The internet is still evolving. New platforms, new technologies, and new opportunities are appearing every year. The people who succeed in the future will not be the ones who wait. They will be the ones who start early and adapt quickly. 10 years ago, becoming a YouTuber sounded crazy. Today, it's a real career, and the opportunities in the next decade may be even bigger. Final message. So if you're wondering whether it's possible to make money online in 2026, the answer is yes. But it won't happen by accident. It happens when you start learning, start creating, and start building something valuable on the internet. Because the truth is simple. The digital economy is not slowing down. It's just getting started. And the people who take action today will be the ones leading the online world tomorrow.